Baik, sekarang kita berada di example 9, iaitu example yang terakhir untuk topik differentiation. Alright, senang sahaja, simple sahaja. Tapi tidaklah simple mana sebenarnya. Dia lebih kepada kita kena guna pengetahuan yang kita belajar sebelum ni, iaitu cara untuk differentiate kali pertama. Lepas tu ada differentiate kali kedua. Lepas tu kita kena sub everything into calculation yang soalan akan bagi dan buktikan dia tu sama dengan kosong. Kita kena tunjuk. Kita masukkan d2y over dx square. Kita masukkan dy dx dalam equation ni. Kita dapat tunjuk yang dia tu sama dengan kosong. Okay, itu aim dia untuk example 9 ni. Okay, so mula-mula sekali kita tengok soalan ni. Jadi, mula-mula pastikan dulu kita jadikan kita punya y ni dalam bentuk kuasa ya, bukan set-set ni. So, naikkan dia ke atas, dia akan jadi x kuasa negatif 1/2. Okay, so itu y. Kita belum differentiate lagi tu. Okay, berhati-hati ya, kita belum differentiate lagi tu. Kita just naikkan dia ke atas je, jadikan dia dalam bentuk kuasa. And then, barulah kita differentiate. Okay, dy over dx is equal to bring down power, reduce power, bring down power, reduce power. So, it become negative 1/2. Bring down power and then we reduce the power. Negative 1/2 minus 1 become negative 3/2 kan? Minus 1. Negative 3/2. Okay, so that's our dy dx, and then our d2y over dx square is equal to, okay, bring down power, we have negative 3/2 multiplied by negative 1/2 x to the power of negative 3/2 minus 1. So it will become negative 5/2. Alright, so this one is 3/4 x to the power of negative 5/2. And so here we have our dy dx and we have our d2y over dx square. And then we sub everything into the calculation. So our left hand side is equal to 2x, okay, multiply by, okay, what do we have? For our d2y over dx square, we have 3/4 x to the power of negative 5/2. Alright, plus 3. Our dy dx is negative 1/2 x to the power of negative 3/2. Okay, what do we have? Can we get 0 here? Alright, so try to see. So here is 1, here is 2. So 3/2 x to the power of, x here, x to the power of 1, right? When you plus, so 1 minus 5/2. Because indices, hukum indeks, bila darab, power akan tambah. So jadi 1 tambah negatif 5/2, jadi 1 tolak 5/2 je lah. Minus 3/2 x to the power of negative 3/2. So here it will become 3/2 x to the power of negative 3/2 minus 3/2 x to the power of negative 3/2. So equal to 0 right hand side. So proven ataupun shown. Okay. So that's for our A. Now we go to our B. So this is the process. You need to find what's dy dx first, and then you need to find the d2y over dx square, and then you sub into question. Okay, sub into equation that's given. So step 3, sub into the given equation. Okay, sub into given equation. Okay. Sub saja dulu dan buktikan. Jangan letak dia lagi sama dengan kosong. Jangan letak macam ni lagi. No. You cari dulu, calculate dulu. Okay, at the end, sebab soalan proven kan. Kita baru nak prove. Kita tak pasti lagi betul tak dia sama dengan kosong dekat sini. So, kita kena prove. Kita dapat, kena buat step ni, one by one. Okay. You need to write down this step first dan show yang kita dapat kosong. And then barulah kita, yes, shown. Right, that's for A. We go to B. They give you just a very simple question je ni. Okay. Tapi dalam exam tidaklah semudah ini. Macam tadi juga, kita jadikan dia dalam bentuk kuasa dulu. So, this one will become y equal to x to the power of negative 2. Okay. And then, baru kita differentiate. So, our dy dx is equal to negative 2 x to the power of negative 3. And then, our d2y over dx square is equal to 6x negative 4. That's it. Be very careful when you multiply. When you what you call that? Doing the step, bring down power, reduce power. Okay, remember the step, bring down power, reduce power, bring down power, reduce power, bring down power, reduce power. Alright, so we have our dy dx and d2y over dx square, and then we need to sub everything into calculation. So our y here, what's the value of y? So our y, d2y over dx square plus dy over dx square minus 10y cube. Okay, this one equal to, our y is, our y is x to the power of negative 2, and then our d2y over dx square is 6x negative 4 plus dy dx square. Okay, our dy dx you need to square. So, negative 2x negative 3 minus 10y. Our y is x to the power of negative 2, and then we have 3. So here it will become 6x to the power of, when we multiply, the power will be added together kan. So dia akan jadi negative 2 minus 2, ada square here. Okay, so jadi plus 4x negative 6. Okay, remember law of indices. Okay, a m, when we have our n outside, it will become a m multiplied by n. Okay, power of rule of indices. So negative 3 multiplied by 2 become negative 6. Negative 2 we square, it will become 4. And then here, minus 10x to the power of negative 6. What do we have here? Negative, I think this one is negative 6. Negative 2 plus negative 4. It will become negative 6. So the answer is 10x to the power of negative 6 minus 10x to the power of negative 6, which is equal to 0. Alright, so here, our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, shown ke proven, apa soalan dia? Shown, okay? So we use shown. That's it. Simple je kan? Ini soalan bagi simple sahaja. Di dalam exam dia tidaklah semudah ini. Malangnya. Okay, we go to C. Okay, find dy dx and d2y over dx square. Hence, show that y satisfied. Alright. So first and foremost, we find our dy dx first. Dy over dx is equal to, okay, bring down power, 12x square. Bring down power, reduce power, and then our d2y over dx square. Bring down power to 12 multiplied by 2 equal to 24x. Okay, very simple. And then sub everything into, so, hence show that kan, hence show that. Left hand side is equal to 3, 4x cubed multiplied by 24x minus 2 and then 12x square. Okay, so we multiply everything. 24 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, 24 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, we get 288. Okay, so 288 x to the power of 4 minus 2, 12 square equal to 144, kan? Yes, 144. 144 x to the power of 4. Okay, so here is 288 x to the power of 4 minus 288 x to the power of 4, which is equal to 0. Right hand side. Okay, so shown. Very easy. Yes. Now we go to the last one. No, that's the last one. Okay, so that's it's very simple. For the last subtopic, we just find the dy dx and d2y over dx square. I think for your syllabus until d2y over dx square only, and then sub whatever things that you get from first differentiate and then second differentiate into the equation that's given by the questions. Okay, so if you manage to get the right first differentiate and the second differentiate, you should get whatever 0. I think you should get equal to 0. Whatever equation here equal to 0. Alright, that's all. Thank you.